Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video we will learn about the factor theorem. Now the factor theorem says that if polynomial p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is 0. Now here x minus a is a factor of p of x if and only if p of a is equal to 0. Now this theorem is little bit different than remainder theorem. So before knowing this, you must be knowing about the remainder theorem. Now here let's suppose if we have a polynomial p of x that is equal to x square plus x minus 6. Now its factor is x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 square plus 2 minus 6, that will be 4 plus 2, 6 minus 6, that will be equal to 0. Now p of a is equal to 0. So solving this by using the synthetic division, now putting the coefficients over here. So coefficient of x square is 1 and x is 1 and minus 6, that will be the same. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, it means x will be equal to 2. So putting 2 over here, bring down 1, so 2 into 1, that will be 2, 1 plus 2, that will be 3, 2 into 3, that will be 6, so minus 6 plus 6, that will be 0. So now here the remainder comes 0. So remainder is 0 and p of a is also 0. So that satisfies the condition of the factor theorem. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.